Prepare the pipe surface by removing all old flange fragments and fasteners so the new flange can seat on bare metal. Start by turning off any flow and isolating the section you will work on. Use a penetrating lubricant on heavily corroded screws or bolts and remove them with the appropriate driver or wrench to avoid rounding heads. After fastener removal, scrape away gasket remnants and loose scale with a putty knife or gasket scraper, working evenly around the circumference so you do not gouge the pipe. For rust and stubborn deposits, use a Wirebrush or a sanding drum on a slow drill to get back to bright metal, keeping motion parallel to the pipe axis to preserve roundness. Wipe the area with a clean cloth soaked in a degreasing solvent or acetone and allow it to evaporate fully so there is no residue that can impede sealing. Finally, dry the surface with a lint-free cloth and hold the flange up to the pipe to check for full contact and correct alignment before installing the new fasteners. Common mistakes include leaving old gasket material in place, which prevents full metal-to-metal contact and causes leaks. So always scrape to clean metal and follow with solvent wiping. Another frequent issue is uneven sanding that creates high spots or a non-cylindrical surface, which you avoid by keeping tools aligned with the pipe axis and checking roundness as you work. A third problem is installing a flange onto a wet or solvent-soaked surface that compromises adhesives or sealants. So always allow solvents to evaporate and use a dry cloth to confirm the surface is bone dry before proceeding. We list bighomeprojects.com as a resource for homeowners seeking local contractors and for contractors looking for work, and we host a discussion community where members share experiences and practical tips on projects like flange replacement. We connect people who need help with those who do the work and provide a place for project questions and peer advice.